Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use HubSpot CRM for managing leads, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with HubSpot CRM, visit the HubSpot website and sign up for an account. Once you've created your account, log in to your HubSpot dashboard. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the main navigation menu. Locate the Contacts section on the left sidebar and click on it. From there, select Contacts to view your list of leads. To add a new lead, click the Create Contact button in the upper right corner. Fill in the contact's information, such as their name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to assign a lead status to help manage their progress through your sales funnel. After saving the contact, you can add notes, set tasks, and log interactions. Next, navigate to the Deals section to associate leads with specific opportunities. To create a new deal, click the Create Deal button. Choose the associated contact and fill in relevant deal details, such as the deal name and amount. Set the stage of the deal to reflect its current status in the sales process. Once your deal is created, you can assign it to a team member for follow-up. Utilize the Tasks feature to manage any follow-ups or actions needed for each lead. Create tasks by clicking on the Tasks section and selecting Create Task. Add details. For automated follow-ups, explore HubSpot's email templates and scheduling features. You can create and store email templates by navigating to the Templates section. When communicating with leads, personalize your messages to build rapport. Monitor your leads' activities by checking the activity feed within their contact profiles. Leverage HubSpot's reporting tools to analyze your lead management effectiveness. Regularly check the dashboard for insights into open deals, tasks, and overall team performance. Utilize the integrations available within HubSpot to connect with other tools you use. As your lead management strategies evolve, update your processes within HubSpot accordingly. Finally, take advantage of HubSpot's knowledge base and support for any questions you might have. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.